Welcome to the next session of Microsoft project to master it in next 7 days. Till now we have prepared the resource loaded program. It's now turn to analyze resources to optimize cost by answering few questions. The first one, how much resource must be mobilized? What all resources are overly allocated in our schedule? How to use float to remove the overallocation of the resources. How to plan no slippage to the critical activity. Let's answer all these questions with resource analysis. Now once you prepared the resource loaded program, you need to go to the option of resource sheet to analyze the resources. Now the red mark shown here means the resources are overly allocated. So to understand this, you have to go to the resource sheet. Here you have defined the resources. The resources shown red in color means are defined less in number or assigned more in numbers in the program. Now to understand this overallocation, go to the resource usage sheet. Here you can see a day-wise allocation of any of the resources in terms of number of hours. So this red in color means the availability of this number of resources are limited, due to which it is shown overly allocated. Now let us filter all the 4 overly allocated resources. Now these are the 4 red resources which need to be increased or the time frame need to be increased. Now if we see the fitter gang, the maximum number that we are getting is 120 hours. That means at any single day we require 120 fitter to prevent this over allocation. Even if we see rigor, it is overly allocated. Now we have to analyze the resource and find the maximum value to which it is overly allocated. So if we see the mason, it's 1000%. If we see the shuttering gang, it's again 1000%. That means 100 shuttering labor is required. You can also see that to what all activities these resources are allocated through this particular option. Now our objective is to remove this overallocation. Now there are 2 ways to remove the overallocation. The first one is by increasing the resource as per the requirement of the project timeline, which we have already decided. The second one is to level the resource, which we will understand in the next session. Now let us first use the first method, that is increasing the resources to prevent the overallocation. Now if we see fitter gang, the maximum usage is 120 hours in a day. That means instead of 100% we require 1200% to prevent this over allocation. Still 120 hour is red in color. So we require 120 fitter in a day. So we have to increase the percentage to 1200. As soon as we do that, the over allocation will be removed. Now if we see the fitter gang, there will be no over allocation of this particular resource. Similarly, if we see the shuttering gang, 140 hours is the maximum unit that is being consumed in a particular day throughout the project timeline. Now to prevent the over allocation of a shuttering gang, we need to increase the unit of a shuttering percentage to 1400, so that we can make 140 shuttering labor available on a particular day. So this is the first method in which we increase the resources as per the requirement of the project. But to address the limitation of the resources, it's not necessary to increase the resource unit to the maximum value. For example, either we can increase the shuttering to 1400 or we can keep it 1000 or maybe 800 as per the requirement or the condition of the project. Although over allocation will not be removed if we reduce it, but then resource labeling will play its part in the next session. So let us first put the maximum value so that we can remove the over allocation through the first method. Now the over allocation has been removed from all the 4 resources, and we have addressed the challenge of over allocation by providing the maximum resource as required by the project. It's now your turn to showcase your skill by analyzing your resources, that which resources are overly allocated.